How to use Spectracide Weed Stop Concentrate. Spectracide Weed Stop Concentrate is a 3-ingredient herbicide for killing broadleaf weeds in lawns. It contains the active ingredient 2,4-D along with mecoprop-p and dicamba. Because Spectracide Weed Stop targets broadleaf plants, it controls most common weeds while leaving grasses untouched. Use it in spring or fall, when weeds are small or germinating. Keep Spectracide Weed Stop away from ornamentals whose roots have spread into your lawn. The dicamba in the product may harm them. Note also that this herbicide kills white lawn clover Trifolium repens, hardy in U.S. Department of Agriculture plant hardiness zones 3 through 10. Things you will need: measuring spoon, pressure sprayer or hose end sprayer, Spectracide Weed Stop Concentrate, water, gloves, protective eyewear. Step 1. Determine the square footage of your lawn by measuring the approximate length and width with a tape measure or by pacing it out. To pace it out, measure the approximate length of one step from the heel of the left foot to the heel of the right foot. Walk the distance counting your steps, then multiply by the length of one step. Multiply the length by the width of the lawn to calculate the total square feet. Step 2. Divide the total square feet by 250 to determine the amount of water and chemical needed. Different lawn grasses need different amounts, so follow the product's label directions. For example, each 250 square feet of St. Augustine grass Stenotaphrem secundatum, hardy in USDA zones 8 through 10, requires 1 tablespoon half fluid ounce of Spectracide Weed Stop Concentrate per 1 gallon of water. Bermuda grass Synodon hardy in USDA zones 7 through 10, requires 4 teaspoons 2/3 fluid ounce of product per 1 gallon of water. Zoysia grass Zoysia japonica, hardy in USDA zones 5 through 10, needs 2 tablespoons 1 fluid ounce of herbicide per 1 gallon of water. Add the appropriate amount of Spectracide Weed Stop Concentrate to a pressure sprayer or to a hose end sprayer's jar. Step 3. Add 1 gallon of water to the sprayer, along with the appropriate amount of the chemical, for every 250 square feet of lawn. Close the sprayer and shake it well to mix the solution thoroughly. If using a hose end sprayer, put the product in the sprayer but don't add water. Set the hose end dial to deliver the amount of concentrate per gallon needed for your lawn type, and attach the hose to your sprayer. Step 4. Set either kind of sprayer to produce small droplets rather than a fine mist. Spray the lawn on a calm day when the temperature is below 85 degrees Fahrenheit and the forecast predicts no rain for at least 6 hours. Cover the lawn evenly so that 1 gallon of the solution covers 250 square feet. Keep pets and people off the lawn until the spray dries. Step 1. Measure 2 tablespoons of Spectracide Weed Stop Concentrate and add it to a pressure sprayer. Don't use a hose end sprayer for spot treatments. Step 2. Add 1 gallon of water to the sprayer and mix well. Spray the weeds you want to kill with the herbicide solution until the leaves are wet. Step 3. Treat problem areas with additional spot treatments, as needed, until weeds are completely gone.